quick family magnet fishing trip out. Back up to this stretch. So you got Westbridge, Westbridge up there, Upton Road bridges all the way down there. We're just gonna have a little go to here, possibly move up a bit further. Ethan's got the head cam on. Right, let's get dipping.
And I'm back. Got part of it. It looks like an anchor.
No, it's no bench or something. Yeah, it's part of an old bench.
Yeah, it's an old bench. Definitely. Oh, you got some. You've actually got some. Pretty sure you got some. Told you. Scaffolding.
Hey guys, it's off a trawler.
Yes, it's a trawler. It is. Got it.
That's the other leg for the bench.
Yeah, that is. Mummy! Mummy, I've got the other half of the bench. I got another part of the bench.
Right on the camera then, mate.
My mum just pulled this out.
Oh, my shoes!
Huh? So...
Nice perfect new bike.
Oh, it's like yellow writing.
Hey, padlock on there, on a bike lock.
Yes, she's got a bike lock as well.
One previous owner, the canal.
Oh, knife. My dad just pulled out a bike. What type of bike's that?
A knackered one.
True. Oh, you're onto something.
I begin to
Load of bottle caps.
Huh?
Load of bottle caps. Well, that was a close one.
What?
Mum nearly lost Kerry's magnet, look. Funny little hook thing. Yeah.
I think we went on each other, haven't we?
No, we've got whatever it is.
To the station, They might have just broke off the roof.
It's a safe door.
Might be an actual station though. There's still bubbles.
Yeah, this was just buried in the silt. An old safe. I don't think it is a safe door,
The door off somewhere.
but
I keep getting connected to it.
bracelet.
That looks like a religious bracelet. That's what a friend has called about the bracelet like that.
Random hunk of square metal. Another penny. And a couple of ball caps. Sweet.
What?
50 cal bullet.
Really? What, you got a
I feel it.
Oh, that's a tank killer around that one, isn't it? And the best of it is, it's completely hollow.
Oh, why does it keep coming up there?
Duckies are coming.
So we're done for the day. We are back at Kerry's, you know, hashtag Team Kerry. I had my bullet, which I am going to try and polish up a bit. Tammy had her first bike. Oh my god, she put it on her own. Look, here's Team Kerry. There you go.
Hello.
So, Tammy had her first bite. I mean, I was shocked when she pulled it out in her own. She was like, "Can you help me?" Before I even got over there, she had it out of the water. Amazing what you can do with a good magnet, isn't it?
Thanks, Gareth.
And then Ethan's had a couple of bits of precious waste metal. You had the bench.
Well, you got the bench, the council bench.
Ethan had the metal bench.
Both parts.
Yeah. Couple of shout outs. Scott Hargood from the Crazy Hargood Magnet family. What is doing?
G.
Yeah, Magnetic G. George. We've got Paul Gardner and the gang. So Molly, Dom and Jack. Magtech UK obviously because they're a great group of guys.
Marie.
And Ethan's a little fan, but she's also a fan of Matt and his Packers t-shirts, Marie Pedriti. He has promised me, Marie, that he'll be having his Packers top on in the next video. So that's something to look out for. 200 subscribers will be giving away a magnet. Little 22 kg. Opens the fridge door, picks up a chisel. When it gets locked on, it's locked on, but it's not for an adult. Got a helicopter going over now, so sorry for that. I am rushing it a bit today because we're all tired and want to go and get some food in our stomachs. So, from us all here, if I've missed anyone off, I apologise. I don't think there's anyone else that we needed to do this week, is there?
Magnetic G with the...
Yeah, Magnetic G.
Megan.
Look, and then that's one of hashtag Team Kerry's glorious children. He'll now be featured on the YouTube channel.
As if you just done that to me.
So, from us here today, we've had a nice little family fish. Bye.
See ya.
Say bye
Wait, one way.
then. Else if you show the logo, mate.
Oh no, I'm trying to do it.
We are having some new tops done soon.
We're on not just YouTube. We're on I can't really see.
Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.
Please like and subscribe this video.
And hit the notification bell
Yeah.
down below. Right, bye from us all.
See ya.
Bye.